welcome. It's that time of the week when you sit back and relax while we get you all the action from B-Town. Over the next half hour, we'll tell you what happened through the week that was in Bollywood this week. On our top story today, we have Chote Nawab Saif Ali Khan, who reached an event to promote his upcoming film Bullet Raja. We bring you the glimpses from the event. On 21st February 2012, Saif remembered something controversial.
Saif, one question to you. You said when y'all were youngsters, like usually boys do bash up. When did you bash up and how hard did you bash and who it was? Was it in school? Was it a male or a female?
It was in a well-known restaurant sometime.
Well, yes, Saif, who reached an event to promote his upcoming film Bullet Raja, was asked about his childhood fight memories. But interestingly, Chote Nawab remembered the infamous brawl which had led to a lot of controversies.
Saif, one question to you. You said when y'all were youngsters, like usually boys do bash up. When did you bash up and how hard did you bash and who it was? Was it in school? Was it a male or a female?
It was in a well-known restaurant.
Well, that was Saif joking. Moving on to the event, the entire team of Bullet Raja was present there. And here the director of the film, Tigmanshu Dhulia, even revealed as to how he got into this genre of films.
First time I've attempted a film of this scale. But मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि ठीक है, मैंने पान सिंह तोमर, साहिबी गैंगस्टर, हासिल इस तरह की फिल्में बनाई है. अब अगर हम जैसे डायरेक्टर जब इस तरह की बड़ी कमर्शियल फिल्म बनाएंगे तो हम कमर्शियल फिल्म की सूरत बदल देंगे.
Well, Tigmanshu is quite excited about the film, and since Saif's character has also been compared to his role in Omkara, he had something to say about that as well.
A lot of people have been talking about that the last 2-3 days to me. I think maybe that's the only other role that's kind of about UP, or the only other role with an accent, or the other role that's a little more grounded or a little more dehati. Normally, I guess I play urban characters, slightly westernized characters. But this is very different. That is a villain and an unappealing looking person. And the idea is to kind of disturb you or disgust you. And it's also Shakespeare, so it's a different world.
Well, Saif, we hope that audiences accept this avatar of yours. While on the other hand, Sonakshi, who was present there, was asked as to how she's managing the promotion of 2 films, and this is how she diplomatically answered.
Really not rocket science. It's very easy because you're present with the concerned people for the particular film that you're promoting. So I think I'm managing fairly well, if I would say so myself.
And that's not all. Sonakshi even revealed that it was quite challenging for her to work in Bullet Raja.
Well, I have a few Bengali dialogues which I had to say in the film. I don't speak the language, but I managed because we had a few Bengali ADs on set who helped me out. And yeah, I think I understood how I was supposed to say them fairly well, and well, I gave it my best. So I did find that a bit challenging.
While the entire team of Bullet Raja looks quite excited, we hope the audiences too like the film. While on the other hand, we have Begum of Pataudi, Kareena Kapoor, who was present at an event to promote her film Gori Tere Pyar Mein, where she was seen pulling director Puneet Malhotra's leg. Take a look in our next story. Kareena Kapoor recently reached an event to promote her upcoming film Gori Tere Pyar Mein, and here she revealed the film's director Puneet Malhotra's bad secret, after which Puneet was left quite embarrassed.
सर, आपने मुझे ये नहीं बताया कि आपने धत्तेरी की कि 4 दिन गाने के आपने 400 दिन लगाए. क्यों?
4 दिन के 400 दिन कैसे लगा सकते?
आप ईशा के इतने बड़े फैन हैं सर.
मैं सिर्फ
ऐसी गोरी तो वो है फिल्म में. आपकी गोरी है वो सर.
Well, yes, you heard it right. Kareena revealed that Puneet actually took a very long time to shoot a song that featured Isha Gupta. And that's not all. She even went on to say that Puneet is Isha's big fan.
सर, आपने मुझे ये नहीं बताया कि आपने धत्तेरी की कि 4 दिन गाने के आपने 400 दिन लगाए. क्यों?
4 दिन के 400 दिन कैसे लगा सकते?
आप ईशा के इतने बड़े फैन हैं सर.
मैं सिर्फ
ऐसी गोरी तो वो है फिल्म में. आपकी गोरी है वो सर.
And after Karina's huge revelation, Zoom decided to catch up with Isha Gupta to know her take on the matter. And here's what she had to say.
4 घंटे का तो नहीं, 4 दिन का शूट था. वो 400 दिन तो खैर अभी सॉन्ग को शूट हुए नहीं हुए. बट हाँ, वो मैंने सेट पे भी बहुत मजाक सुना था, क्योंकि एंड मोमेंट पे हुआ था कि इन्होंने पहले फिल्म के लिए डिसाइड किया था, सॉन्ग के लिए, कि किसी को नहीं लेंगे, मॉडल्स के साथ शूट करेंगे. और एकदम एंड टाइम पे फिर मुझे बुलाया गया और गाने की शूट हुई. तो तब से ये मैंने भी सुना है सेट पे ये जोक चल रहा है कि अच्छा स्पेशली मुझे बुलाया गया, बट ऐसा नहीं है. पहले मुझे कॉन्टैक्ट किया गया था उस गाने के लिए, और फिर उसके बाद दे डिसाइडेड टू गो विद मॉडल्स, देन दे कॉल मी अगेन. बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Well, just like Puneet, Isha too said that the entire thing is a joke. And that's not all. According to the actress, such jokes were already going on at the film set. Well, Isha, we believe you. Moving on, here's director Sanjay Leela Bhansali, who's spoken about the entire issue of change of heroines in Ram Leela. Details in our next story. Kareena backed out of Ram Leela. This news is passe. What's latest is Sanjay Leela Bhansali has given it back to her on Zoom's Boom. He told us how Kareena walked out and Deepika stood by him.
शायद करीना ने नहीं किया तो उसमें फिल्म की कुछ भलाई है. दीपिका stood by at a time जब मेरे सेट भी बन गए थे और करीना had walked out of the film.
Well, Kareena walked out of Ram Leela and Deepika became Sanjay Leela Bhansali's strength. Well, by making such comments, is Sanjay trying to give it back to Kareena?
जो होता है कभी कभी अच्छे के लिए होता है, तो शायद करीना ने नहीं किया तो उसमें फिल्म की कुछ भलाई है और करीना की भी कुछ भलाई हो सकती है उसमें, या मेरी भी कुछ हो सकती है.
Well, yes, Sanjay exclusively spoke to Zoom and cleared all doubts on the matter, which had begun right from the time the film's name was mentioned. And this was something which Kareena herself had announced.
150 दिन संजय लीला बंसाली को दिया है. अच्छा. रामलीला बनाने. 150 दिन संजय लीला बंसाली को दिया है. अच्छा. रामलीला बनाने.
But now the film's director Sanjay Leela Bhansali himself will clear doubts on the matter about the change in heroines.
Yes, Deepika stood by at a time जब मेरे सेट भी बन गए थे और करीना had walked out of the film. And Deepika walked in with such conviction, with such respect, stood by me. Deepika is amazing, and I think I'm somewhere in deep down my heart, I'm grateful to her for having come into the role and then playing it so flamboyantly, इतने अच्छे तरह से perform किया. तो जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
And that's not all. Sanjay even went on to give hints that in future he might not make any attempts to work with Kareena.
Kareena is a great actor. She's a wonderful star, and we've always wanted to work with each other, but नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. कहीं 3-4 बार attempt किए. अब होगा नहीं होगा क्या मालूम.
Well, Bebo, hope you're listening. After all, your loss has become Deepika's gain. But seems like Sanjay Leela Bhansali has no regrets about it. After all, he himself has said that.
Deepika stood by at a time जब मेरे सेट भी बन गए थे और करीना had walked out of the film.
Time for a short break on Bollywood this week. But when we come back, Imran and Kareena's exclusive interview on Zoom. Stay tuned.